This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East, and thank you for clicking onto this June 2nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. A very warm, sort of muggy, stagnant pattern here across the southeastern part of the country. Of course, I'm cutting this video, as always, during the 5 a.m. hour, and even at that point in time, you had a lot of 60s and 70s all across the southern plains into the southeastern part of the region, into the Carolinas as well. A lot of 60s in our area this morning, with the exception of the mountains, where they dropped into the 50s. The radar very quiet this morning across the southeast, but there are some areas of rain and thunderstorms sort of arcing from southern New England back into the plain states. That's right along a frontal boundary that temporarily has stalled out a lot of its southerly progress, but it will get back moving southward again tonight, tomorrow, and eventually will bring us some good chances for showers and storms later this week. Here's the upper air pattern. You can see why temporarily the front stalled out, but this little piece of energy will be rounding the base of that trough, and that'll help to kick the front into gear again as we go through the day today. Let's talk about today. It's going to be a hot day. We're talking highs, lower 90s, maybe some mid-90s around the Piedmont. Relatively muggy conditions as well. Some air quality issues cropping up as well. The ground level ozone bumping up toward the code orange category in some spots around the Piedmont today. In terms of rain, the chance of rain today in any one spot is very small. I can't rule out a couple of isolated showers or storms, but I think probably 95% of the area will stay dry today. Tomorrow, again, there could be a few isolated late day storms, but still mainly a dry day. And it'll be another pretty hot day. Highs tomorrow, upper 80s to lower 90s. The frontal boundary getting a little closer tomorrow. By Thursday, the front has sagged into the Carolinas, and we'll see a pretty good chance for some showers and some thunderstorms Thursday. And because of that, cooler temperatures. Highs probably upper 70s to lower 80s in many spots on Thursday. And there will be that good chance of some showers and storms. Friday. Looks like we'll be behind that front, so I'm going with mainly a rain chance as opposed to a thunderstorm chance Friday. So there'll be the chance of some rain at times Friday, highs probably in the 70s. And then the forecast a little tricky for the weekend. It just is tough to nail down where the best chance of any rain will be. What I'm doing with this morning's package is that's Saturday, and that is Sunday. And what I'm going to do is just mention the chance for some scattered afternoon showers and storms, very hit or miss over the weekend. Weekend should not be a washout if you have outdoor plans this weekend. I wouldn't cancel them, but just be aware there could be some showers and storms rumbling around at times. And same deal on early next work week into Monday, the chance for some mainly afternoon showers and thunderstorms as our next front tries to nose on in here from the north. All right, tropical season's here, so let's take a peek at the tropics. That is the NHC early morning tropical weather outlook. That little area northeast of the Azores Islands, the only potential area to watch for development. That's a big non-tropical low. It's not out of the complete realm of possibility that there could be a subtropical type of system develop out of that, but that is obviously way away from anybody in the U.S., and that's not going to be a huge problem, even if it develops. And, of course, closer to home, a few areas of showers and storms in the Gulf, but things pretty quiet, and this is a decaying frontal boundary here in the western Atlantic at the moment. No tropical developmental signs with that. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great Tuesday, and God bless.